Familiarize yourself with the 2019 Toyota Avalon. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, turn signal indicator mirrors, blind spot sensor, and seat memory. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.